Actually, this is kind of awkward. Normally I use my Mac to test the setup, but I don't actually have that right now, so I have no idea. I don't even have my chat up. Whoops. How do I move this? Fuck. Damn it. I knew I forgot something. I forgot to move this to the other window. Creator dash. Damn it. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, I know that. Okay, why is it acting like I haven't done this before? That's super weird. Damn, I really need to figure out how to get another monitor set up in this. And back to the other monitor. Oh god, okay. Well, now I need to... Not quite ready to fuck around with that. It's awfully quiet too. I might have to play some music because of how quiet it is. Could play pretzel. I don't care about that. Go away. I already have that set up. Don't need that. Did that as well. Don't need that. Oof. That's old. Kind of forgot what some of this shit is. Your session has timed out. Okay, so what tabs do I still have open on my PC? Okay, so that's one. That's, yeah, so let's get that moved over here. I probably should bookmark some of these. Close that. What else do I have over here? Actually, you know, Chrome is out of date. Oh, let's fix that real quick. No, Safari, fuck off. That was not an opportunity. No, I didn't close. God damn it, I opened the wrong thing. Go away, Safari. Don't care about you. Yes, keep using Chrome. Stop asking me. What's up, Andy? This nothing really special today. I actually slept through my normal stream, so I'm just fucking around seeing how the Mac kind of flows through this in my setup. Oh, helping him fix his computer. I don't know how exactly I want the Mac to be in my setup if I'm going to do development streams, so I'm trying to work through some of those kinks right now. Tabs on other devices. Wait, I don't have all those open. Oh shit, that's my work computer. No, that's my phone. Here it is. Docker image provides. Have that. move some of these off my PC since I don't need those there. Okay, I don't need that one right now. Kubernetes Minecraft, might do that. Yeah, well, I don't want to bring all of them over. Like I said, I just kind of threw this in here. I've been kind of putting this off. Oh my god, this is confusing me. I might have to use a singular keyboard mouse. Because I usually use my Mac for the extra stream details, and I've now put those on my PC since I'm now looking at my Mac as my primary monitor, which I usually use for the actual game. So it's throwing me off right now. But no, I definitely need to organize this a little bit. Fuck, did I just open? Okay, I just opened these. I think this is the one I was running. Yeah. Oh, that's what I need to set up Java Minecraft on this to fuck around with it. Sucks that a lot of these are still happening off screen. I wonder if it would probably be better to do mirrored. Because this is kind of disorienting me when not everything is spawning on the main window. That one spawns up there. That's super confusing. Where do I displays? Oh god, I don't know if I can do that. Now I see both of them in my vision, and that's kind of fucking me up. Yeah, no, I might have to go back to extended. Because I see what I'm doing down below on the bottom of my eyes. It's confusing me, but I need to use the keyboard. Yeah, I don't. This might actually be worse because I see everything I'm doing down below, but I still need the keyboard on the Mac. I might have to grab my keyboard from work and set that up because I have a full Mac keyboard at work. I don't have one here. That way I don't have to look at the monitor. I can actually go like a docking mode. Wonder if I should do that. Oh, that's food for thought. Let's try this a little bit. As confusing as it is, but it's kind of disorienting because things keep spawning on random windows and I don't know why. Also, get myself killed. All right. So one thing I need to sign in. Continue without login. Fuck, I don't even. Okay, so this is a benefit of having, because I can sign in on having that other display. So I guess we'll do extended for right now, just so it's not completely confusing to me. Why did you fucking pop that up there? You piece of crap. Go away. What? Okay, so apparently I don't have a special pass for this one. Maybe. Oh, okay, I see. Installations. Oh, this is already okay. Well, that's not obviously gonna work. God, I keep grabbing my mouse thinking that's what I need to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tab some of these. Is what I was looking at. Okay, I need to close this window also. Alright, let's close that for now. I think I got everything I needed. So, but yeah, I had to fix my Wi-Fi for my uncle remotely. Good thing I was able to get him to move for Ethernet first, then TeamViewer to fix. Wait, is that not? God damn it. It's not doing audio through. It's doing the internal speakers. Oh my god, that's loud. Oh my god. No. Why can't I control this? Oh my god. Why are you so loud? What? Why can't I configure this? What? It's not letting me configure it. Yeah, no, that's super annoying. Why do I have to control it through OBS? I mean, that's a temporary fix, but that's super weird that I have to change it there. Can listen to the wonderful Minecraft music. Okay, so I first wanted to test with this. I tested this earlier, or a few days ago. Just want to make sure it still works. Oh my god, that is still so loud. Is it still super loud? Like, I've turned OBS down like 50%. Where's the EULA one? Okay. Let's run that command, but not. Don't want to run in the background. Is already in use. Oh. Oh, wait, do I already have this running? Holy crap. I did not realize that all the Kubernetes shit would be in here too. Where's my MC container at? You don't hear anything now. Well, it wasn't playing for a second. It's playing stuff now. Okay. I'm gonna have to turn my headset down too. It's super loud. See how long it takes before I get killed in Minecraft. This is just testing a very bare bones vanilla server. This is kind of the starting point. I was gonna write my own Docker container for this, but there's a really good community one already, so I wasn't gonna mess with it. I need to set up a volume so I don't have to do this every time. Because right now I'm spawning a world every time I test this. Actually, how is this gonna play? Oh shit, didn't mean to do that. How's this gonna play? I don't know how to play this on a Mac keyboard. Okay, well, it seems to work. Okay, playing this on a Mac keyboard is a very terrible idea. Oh my god, this is so bad. Well, at least I know Minecraft works. Okay, so I don't think my Mac likes running this game and the server at the same time. The server logs are like, oh my god! So last time I tested this, a zombie killed me in like 5 minutes. F11, F12 allow you to adjust volume. Are you talking about in Minecraft or? I don't have a full keyboard on the Mac. Craft wood and planks. The book can help. Okay, well, obviously I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. No, I think the server's freaking out. If you, God damn it. Okay. If you look at this, it says it was several ticks behind. So I don't think I don't think my Mac liked running the server and playing it on the same machine. I was just doing that to test it. Well, so the whole eventual goal is to host this in the cloud. Like I want to give you guys to be able to, like, other than like emotes and stuff, I want to tie in other stuff uh to be like as a subscriber bonus. So actually I brought the link over. Um so Steam command, where did it go? Where's the list of games? Actually, okay. So these are, what was it, Windows, Linux. So Steam command can do a lot of different games, and it'll allow me to set up pretty much any of these. And so I want to do something like that where I can run Docker containers and stuff in the cloud and let you guys be able to spin them up through my Discord or something. And like if you ever want to play any of these, as long as you have a legit copy of it, you could play them. And so like there's a Rust one. I was looking at the Minecraft, which is not actually part of Steam Command. It's separate, but just kind of going through these, or some of them, the ones that people are actually interested in, and allowing you to possibly play them. Yeah, I'm just testing the setup. Like I use Docker and stuff for work and whatnot, but this is just like a fun side project because one of the eventual goals is I want to run these in a Kubernetes cluster. Um, so you can actually see that I have somewhere. Where'd it go? I actually have a page because I haven't written a Helm chart and stuff, but I actually do have. If you look here, I'm using Docker Desktop right now, and I have a Kubernetes cluster running locally. So I actually do have a GitHub repo. I haven't really done a whole lot right now, but if you're curious about following any of it, I'm hopefully going to start working on this on a weekly basis, but I've been kind of lazy about it recently. Yeah, no, I intend to do that. Um, I needed to get some of the setup stuff situated first, because like I mean I have uh, all this stuff already. Because I was likely gonna set this up. This is not a very cost-effective thing um, for me to do, but I want to set up a Kubernetes cluster via EKS, just setting something up really simply, and then throwing my Docker containers out there. I meant locally. I didn't know you were going to set up cloud server. So I want to be able to set this up to where you guys, if you ever want to play something, you could do it yourself. You don't have to have me available. I want to set up like Discord bot commands and stuff to where like if you're a subscriber, you can actually go set stuff up. So like Minecraft was one of the first ones I was going to set up. Baru said that he would be more than happy to do something for 7 Days to Die. So this will probably be the second game that I try to set up, um, where he doesn't have to host it locally anymore. He can just connect to the one I create. Uh, Someone mentioned that'd be interested in possibly doing a Rust. So like these would all be like private servers that you guys could play, and the subscription would let you have access to all these. Like you wouldn't have to pay like the 20 or $30 to um, like do the individual hosting. I know some people pay like 20, $30 a month just to host Minecraft. This is not something I would probably run 24/7. Probably make it more on demand, because right now, like with me doing this is going to be an out of pocket loss for me. Uh, the main motivation is to keep my technical skills fresh, since I work with some of this stuff on a daily basis, but I don't, since I'm moving into management, I don't really mess with it on a daily basis. So this is just kind of a fun side project. But there's a whole bunch of other stuff in here too that might be interesting for people to play. Like I was gonna probably do a Terraria server at some point. I saw that you can do TF2, but yeah, the goal is to eventually reach out or like expand out and do other things. Like I could do Left 4 Dead. So there's a whole bunch of different options in here. This was something else that people mentioned, because I could do Arc, for example. So you wouldn't have to pay to do these. I would just set them up, and eventually we could also have the option to set up multiple copies of each one of these. It really depends on the licensing requirements and stuff, but like if you don't want to have just one general community server and want to have your own private one, that probably should be able to have the option of doing that too. Well, no, I get that as a legitimate concern, uh, and that's something that I will have to deal with. But it's not impossible to uh, protect against that. Um, like if I get AWS to help facilitate some of this, I'll get like their DDoS protection, which I know like Ursa has had issues with. But if you set it up correctly in AWS, you can get DDoS protection automatically. And there's ways to get around um, people being turds about hacking them and stuff. I'll also be doing server backups. So even if someone does manage to compromise it, uh, I can roll back to like an unfucked up state. Yeah, this is not something I want to host locally. Like I said, this is just to do stuff in the cloud, keep my skills relevant. This is just a fun side thing. I mean, yes, I could save money and host a computer locally, but that's what I'm trying to avoid. That still requires me to be online and available if something happens. At least if it's in the cloud, I can kind of look at it from anywhere pretty much if I need to get into it. More. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to something else. I don't need that. So, so how do you set this? Okay, so you need to create a new Git repo, github.io. So we finally managed to get a domain name that I wanted for a long time, akitafuki.com. I actually have not been able to buy that for almost a decade. And that was the thing that I kind of talked about on Twitter that I really, really wanted, but could never actually get. So we managed to actually get that. So I need to, I was going to set up something, um, at least like a placeholder thing. Sure. Like anyone's going to care about that. Da, da, da. Where the fuck did that go? Did I pass it? Here it is. I wanted to create a placeholder page for it. Actually, terminal window. Okay, well, I don't need my thing still. That is not what I wanted to do. Actually, why is that set up as... I shouldn't have to do that. Pretty sure I already set up my user key. Does not exist. That is bananas. Actually, well, I don't even know why I'm doing it that way. Oh, I'm a dumbass. It's not URL format. Wait, do I not have Adam on here? Well, thought I had Adam already installed on here, but apparently I don't. Go away, Minecraft. So the next steps for the Minecraft thing, which I probably won't do today. Today was mostly a test thing, is I do want to get a Helm chart set up. Because at first I was going to manually create any EKS. Actually, I guess I can just get the Helm chart and try to set that up and get it running locally. Because once I have the Helm chart running or working, I can then start building out the basic EKS cluster thing and try to deploy it out in AWS. I also need to start work on the Discord bot commands, which might have to tie that into the Russell bot thing that I haven't really been doing a whole lot with, because that it's in a crappy state right now because I haven't pushed any of it to GitHub. I was trying to get the Twitch integration working on it. I might forego that and not worry about the Twitch aspect of it because there's not really a good Twitch Java client to use. Whoops, did not mean to open that directly. Go into applications. There. Okay. God, this is really disorienting where it chooses. No, don't send my usage data. No, go away. I don't need that. Why is my user directory not in here? Apparently I need to add that. Come on. Oh my God, what are you doing? Docker desktop is eating up 200% of my CPU. Okay, why are you doing that? Why are you being a butthole? What the hell are you doing? Thanks, Docker. I don't even know what the fuck you're doing. So do you, so you're familiar with Docker and stuff. Do you do any development? You didn't strike me as someone that was familiar with Docker. Granted, I don't really talk with you about technology a whole lot. What the hell is wrong with this? Why? What is... Unless someone already hacked me and is trying to deploy a whole bunch of random shit to my kube cluster. Nope, haven't touched any coding forever, but I do keep up with news with all the tools, especially a good one. Okay, well apparently this is not letting me scroll. Docker's obviously doing something. Is this still trying to kill the container? No. The hell is it? Oh my god, it is not happy. It's not even the main Docker process, it's some fucking helper process. That is losing its mind. Well, I didn't run the Docker container as a background process, so when I controlled C out of it, it should have killed it. Because it's just, yeah, it's just the Kubernetes stuff that's actually running. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? You can fuck off whatever you're doing. Yeah, force kill. Well, apparently I pissed off Docker Desktop. Oh my lord. What? Okay, Docker, you can go away. We're gonna restart. Nope. Yes, force quit activity monitor. What the hell was that? Just heard something. Can I have my terminal prompt back, please? Apparently not. What the fuck? Seriously? What is going on? What the hell? What did... Crash pad, stop it. Go away. HyperKit, you can stop whatever stupid shit you're doing too. Yeah, I know. Wow. Okay, it finally gave me my prompt back. Did Adam start this? Because I noticed Adam crashed. Dude, what is my... Why is my phone freaking out? What is that fucking noise? Okay, I hear something. What the hell is that noise? Sounds like my phone vibrating, but it's not. Now, of course, it doesn't do it while I'm actively trying to hear what it is. Is it this? Well, I finally heard it. It's my Pokeball Plus doing something. Docker call. Yes, Docker's like, what in the goddamn hell did you just do? Apparently, there's a Docker update too. Okay, so what are you supposed to do? Enter the product, add an index.html, push the changes. Oh god. So theoretically that's... Well, that didn't do shit. What was the point of pushing that file if it didn't actually do anything? Okay, so they did put the file there. This site is open source, improve it. Why did it have you put... What was the point of putting anything in the index HTML if it didn't actually render it? Oh, there it is. Okay, it just took a while for it to actually publish it. Okay, so that actually is set up. Okay, why are you... Okay, sounds like my phone is flipping its shit. I don't know why it's vibrating. Okay, it's not my phone vibrating. What is vibrating over here? Is it really these things vibrating? Wow, it's vibrating that violently. Okay, why are you vibrating so violently? Sorry, I'm punching my microphone by accident. I haven't used any of the Pokeball Pluses, like ever. And so I've actually started setting them up now that I have another account that I'm trying to level up because I don't want to legit level up another one. Doing one was a pain in the ass. But I'm trying to get used to having these devices. You know, that I really wish you could turn off the vibrate on this thing because God, it fucking violently vibrates. All mail? No. All mail? Hey, hey, you stop being a butthole. Don't. There's nothing you're gonna do. No. Okay, well, we got that. So how do I? How do you set up a redirect? Forward your domain to another website. Okay, that's what I want to do. Permanent redirect allows browsers to cache the forwarding address. Maybe okay. Now 302 is fine. Allow redirects to work over HTTPS. Yes. Theoretically, that domain should actually work too now. Nope, apparently it is not set up yet. Okay, well, hopefully it doesn't take forever. Anyways, apparently that was it for this. So one thing that I wanted was to put an actual page there. I wonder how hard it is to set up, like, what is it, Bootstrap, I think? Because one of these things is something I wanted to look at, possibly setting up a simple page. And that's another random side project, but HTMLs. But nope, I have a whole bunch of random things that I would like to work on. Need to just start fucking around with it. I think this is a good test stream to kind of work out some of the kinks on what I want to do next. But I need to. I've been spending like an hour or so a week. Obviously, I'm gonna have to spend more time on this, so we might try to replace some of the normal game streams with kind of try to do more focused development on certain aspects. Since there's a few websites that I'd like to kind of simply set up, getting the Helm charts working for the various Docker containers, and getting the EKS infrastructure in place. Also need to redo the Russellbot stuff so I can have some basic Discord commands start working too. But I need to diagram it all out because a lot of it's just in my head. I've been looking at, what was it? Thanks. Lucid charts, I think. This was something I was thinking about using. It was a friend's suggestion to start kind of diagramming stuff in my head out, because then I can save these so I don't really forget about it. Because I really shouldn't just leave everything in my head. But I don't know if I want to use this or not. I'm still floating this in some other stuff, but there's just too many things to do. So many things to do. Well, this is kind of awkward because I'm used to using my Mac to find someone to host. But I think that's a good first test stream for making sure that the Mac actually works fine in this. It was kind of wonky. Like, I don't know why Docker flipped its shit. Actually, what happened to the install? Oh, get this going while I try to find something real quick. I wonder if Baru started streaming. Oh, Baru did start streaming. I think we'll just toss things over Baru's way since he is online now. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get a different keyboard or something. It's driving me bananas since I'm using my Mac's keyboard now. I'm not used to having this thing be part of the what I'm doing. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for us tonight. I think it was a good test. There's a few things that I need to kind of work out with my setup for this, but we might spend some time the next stream or the next time I do this. Probably start diagramming out some of the stuff that I want to accomplish. And then likely the first thing that we'll work on is setting up my first Helm chart on trying to get the Minecraft server running on Kubernetes locally. But yep, that is it for me tonight. Thanks. Sorry there wasn't a regular game stream tonight, but this was a good kind of segue into doing this. I've been putting off getting this test stream set up to make sure everything was working, but at least it was still productive. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.